Hello, in this video I will show you how to set duration in Capcut. So right now my image duration is 5 seconds. So every time I add a image, the duration is automatically 5 seconds. For example, I've select 3 more photos and place in the timeline. So you will see that the duration is 5 seconds. So how you can increase or decrease the image duration? So for this you need to click on the menu on the top bar, go to the settings, and in the edit tab you will see image duration. Here you can see as 5 seconds, and you can also change to 5 frames per. So I am reducing it to 3 seconds and click save. So now I am deleting all these images and select all and place on the timeline. So now you can see that my image duration is 3 seconds for every image. So if you want to increase, you can again go to the menu, click on setting, in the edit increase the duration to 10 seconds and save. Delete all images, again select all images and drop on the timeline, and so you will see that the image duration is increased to 10 seconds. So in this way you can easily set the duration in CapCut and PC. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.